Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic feedback for your selling account. So if you are eBay seller and you don't wanna leave a feedback for each individual sales, so you can activate automated feedback for your selling account. So go on to account settings, and then from there you go to selling preferences, and all listing and orders, automate feedback. Click on edit. Automatically leave positive feedback. Leave feedback after buyer has paid for the item, or buyer has paid for the item and left me a positive feedback. So you can choose either one of them. So most of the sellers they usually select this one, because either way you should always leave a buyer a positive feedback. So you select this edit stored comments. So if you click edit here, so all these are automated from eBay. If you wanna add any custom ones for specific, mentioning your website or mentioning your eBay seller account, seller ID, you can type it in here and save it, and then save it. That's it. And now every time your buyer buys something from your store, they will receive automatic feedback. You don't have to send any feedback manually. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.